So just to show you how to put headers and footers into your Excel spreadsheet. So to insert a header or footer, you'd normally just go to Insert. You look for header and footer. So in this case, place your name, center number, candidate number, right aligned in the header. So I'm going to click on header, and your header and footer should come up, and it should give you 3 places to put information. So on the right side, you're going to put your name, center number, and candidate number. Probably separated all by commas, etc. So that is how you do the first part. Let me just move this over. Place the text last revised on, followed by an automated date, then a space, and then the automated time left align in the header. So left align in the left box. So last revised on. And then under design, you're going to get your little icons or buttons that you can press for the time and date. So automated date, so that's going to be current date. Put a space, and then the automated time. So I'm going to click on time. So if I click anywhere else, you'll see that is what will happen. So to exit the header or footer view, just click on any other cells, and under view, you can click on normal, and it'll take you back to your original spreadsheet, the way that it looked in the beginning. Okay, cool.